a group of men posing as RBI officials made off with 7.1 crore rupees from an armored cash van, all within 30 minutes. Bengaluru has seen one of its daring daylight heists in recent years. In a shocking and well-planned operation, a group of men posing as RBI officials made off with 7.1 crore rupees from an armored cash van, all within 30 minutes. The incident happened on Wednesday afternoon between 12:30 and 1 p.m. in the busy stretches of South Bengaluru. The cash van, operated by CMS Infosystems, was transporting 3 boxes of cash from the HFDC Bank branch in JP Nagar to HBR layout nearly 22 kilometers away. What happened next reads like a movie script. As the van reached Ashoka Pillar in Nagar second block in Maruti Zen hatchback, suddenly blocked its path. Inside the van were the driver Binod Kumar, a custodian named Aftab, and 2 armed security guards, Rajanna and Tamayya. 3 men jumped out of the hatchback. They were followed by an Innova and MUV. The men claimed to be RBI officials. They told the CMS staff that the company had violated RBI rules and they needed to record statements from the employees. The staff believed them. The 2 gunmen even left their licensed weapons inside the van and stepped into the MUV along with the custodian. The driver Kumar was told to head to the Dairy Circle flyover and wait there for further instructions. The MUV tailed the van for a while. At Nimhans Junction, the men made the 3 CMS staffers get out. They told them to head to the Siddhapur police station, saying their statements would be taken there. But before that, they said the cash boxes had to be taken out to the RBI. The staff members began walking towards the police station, unaware that they had already been tricked. Driver Kumar reached the Dairy Circle flyover and waited. Soon the same MUV arrived. This time the man held him at gunpoint. They dragged out the 3 cash boxes, shifted them to another hatchback, a Maruti Wagoner, saying they were taking the money for RBI inspection. And in seconds, they sped away, leaving the driver, the armed van and their own MUV behind. The entire operation was smooth, fast and highly coordinated. Bengaluru City Police Commissioner Seemant Kumar Singh said the police are probing all angles. He noted that there was a delay from CMS in reporting the incident, but multiple senior officers, including 2 deputy commissioners and a joint commissioner, are now leading the 8 special team to crack the case. A witness named Sanjay told the police he had seen the initial blockade. He said the MUV that followed the hatchback had a number plate with the Indian government logo, something that gave the imposters extra credibility. But police later discovered that this number plate was fake and actually belonged to a sedan registered in Kalyan Nagar. CMS officials say they do not suspect any insider involvement at this point. A formal complaint was filed late Wednesday night by Vinod Chandrar, a branch manager with the company. As the investigation picks up the pace, Bengaluru police believe the heist required detailed planning, multiple vehicles and a team familiar with security protocols. With over 7 crore rupees missing, the city is watching closely to see how quickly its high-profile case is cracked.